Hey guys, welcome and back to Frequently Asked Questions, and in today's video, I'm going to explain to you on how you can change the delivery method on Western Union. So it's really easy and simple. What you have to do first is you have to enter your, tracking number, basically the MTCN number, and press on continue. So you come to westernunion.com and select the update delivery method menu, and then you just come here and enter your tracking number, the MTCN. Then of course guys, they're going to ask your information, fill in your information, bank account details, and you want to share the link with the sender, okay, to complete the transfer, right? And the sender must confirm the change in the delivery method. So basically it's really easy and simple. You mainly just need the MTCN number. So hope this video helps you out, and if it did guys, consider smashing that like button and subscribing to Frequently Asked Questions, guys. Turn on those bell notifications so you get notified of the next video, and I'll see you in the next one.